All right. Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right. Let's get into the market today. Yesterday was a big green day in the market as we continue to see a bounce back to the upside. Let's take a look at the ES. All right. Let's go look at the 4 hour chart on the ES. All right. So you see yesterday morning, the ES took right on off throughout the day. Stayed above the AEMA on the floor. A really bullish day yesterday in the market. A lot of stocks going up. Right now, this morning, we're hitting, got two levels of resistance, the 58.20.25 and the 58.35. We see our AEMA is back at 57.98. So that's probably about our range, 57.70. That would be a big dip to the downside. So we don't know, but we're going to see how the market overall gets through this 58.20 up to 58.50. Right now it's at what, 58.28. So about $25 more. Get past this, we're going to have another big move to the upside again today. Let's go take a look at the daily, see where we are. So 58. So we already passed our 21 EMA. We're trying to get past here, our 34 and 58.70. That's a $50 move to the upside if we can get past. If not, we might stay chopped or we might fall. So we'll keep our eyes on that. But as we go off into the market this morning, I'm gonna look at a 30-minute time frame real quick. We see here's our 58.25. We're trying to stay above that. Just because we breach it don't mean we're in safe. We have to stay above this level in order to remain bullish throughout the day. But we have a really good structure going into the day. With that being said, let's take a look at some stocks in the technology sector, which has led this bounce back to the upside. Palantir had a very big day yesterday as it regained its strength back up to $97. I think we mentioned that one in our yesterday's video. Here we are at that level again, 97. Again, really clear. If we stay above it and break through, we continue to the upside. If not, maybe we get back some of our gains and remain chopped. Maybe have a pullback and then a back up to the upside. Now, if it falls beyond 95, then today's a give back day. But there you see Palantir. Let's take a look at the SPY. Here we are again. SPY is at 575. It's breaking that important level. Let's see if it remains there, 575, 576. Probably got to get past 576 for me to feel totally good about getting to SPY on the long side, but that's okay. We see our levels, and then we know where we're trying to get to. Let's get back here to our 30-minute, but it has really good structure. Our Qs, same thing, 491, stays above 491. We can have a good day. Right now it's what, 810. So, but if it starts to pull back, we'll see. It might just pull back to 489 and then go back up. So we'll keep our eyes on the Qs today. We'll take a look at that on an hour real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's a good setup. Really good setup today. We got quite a few hourly squeezes. Let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, great structure, good squeeze going into the morning. So the tech sector is looking very, very strong. Let's take a look at which one was I looking at earlier? It had to be Amazon. Amazon had a really great day yesterday, and it's at 203. It's back at its highs. Let's see if Amazon continues on this trend. But Amazon's looking excellent. Google, Apple, they all have pretty much the same setup. So you can wait 5 minutes into the market, see which one starts to go. If they're all going in the same direction, then you get into tech. But tech is looking really strong this morning. They all have the same hourly squeeze. Now here we have ARM, which is a chip stock. And we see its level of 126 it has to get to. You see ARM had a big day yesterday, 121. It ran up about $5 yesterday. I was in ARM actually in one of my plays yesterday. Good day. But here we're hitting this level of resistance, and we'll see. So with ARM, we also like to look at AMD, see how AMD did, which had a really big day yesterday. And AMD actually, let's go take a look on a 4-hour chart. AMD has had a very good run all the way back up to the upside. And it's right now it's hitting that 116 level. It's really important. So we'll keep our eyes on AMD and see if it has a pullback today, if it wants to give back yesterday's money. But the structure is nice. If you do, I will only be in it quickly, get in, get out, and maybe wait till AMD gets back down here and run it back up again. So this is the one that you probably can rinse and repeat this week. Just do over. AMD is a stock we'll be looking at. All right, so the message for today is pay attention to tech, pay attention to tech, pay attention to tech. The market, the sector is looking really strong this morning. We'll see. You might be able to get into it early. Check out that 9:45 time frame, that 10 o'clock time frame, 10:30, 10:15. See if there's any weakness, and then be cautious from that point on. But if it stays bullish and the setup remains bullish, then you just have to play the setup in front of you. All right, cool. If this video has been helpful, go ahead, like and subscribe, and we'll check you out in the next video. Be blessed.